Okay, in this example, we're tasked with finding the equation of a tangent line. So the equation of a nice line to the graph at this point, 3, 76, where we're given the function from the beginning here. So we have a point. We need a slope really to go along with this to get the equation of a tangent line. But luckily for us, the slope of any tangent line is going to be given by the derivative of this function, just evaluated at whichever x value we care about. So to get that derivative, let's use the power rule a couple times. So what that says is the exponent comes down in front and gets multiplied. In our case, that 3 gets multiplied by the 4, which is going to make 12. Then we reduce the exponent by 1. So we do 3 minus 1 makes 2 for our new exponent. Repeat the same process on that next term. The 2 comes down, gets multiplied by the negative 4. We get a negative 8. Reduce the exponent by 1. We're going to get a 1 for our new exponent on the x. Then we have that constant term at the end. Well, the derivative of a constant is always going to be 0. Now, we don't really need to include a plus 0 at the end, so I'm going to eliminate that. And I'm also going to go ahead and get rid of raising something to the first power is a little bit redundant. We don't need that there either if we don't want. From here, we want to find the slope of our tangent line. So that slope is going to be given by f prime evaluated at the x value we care about. Well, from the ordered pair, that x value is a 3. So we're going to fill that in, evaluate the derivative at 3, and see what we get to. All right, so filling that in, we have, 12 times 9? It's going to work out to be 108, minus 8 times 3 is 24, which works out to be 84. Okay, so the slope is going to be 84, and then we have this point. Let's put that information together and think about this as y equals mx plus b. It's the most common equation for a line that most students are really comfortable with filling into and memorizing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an x value of 3, I'm going to use a y value of 76, and an m value of 84. So filling all that in, we get 76 for our y equals 84 for our m multiplied by 3 for our x value plus b. All right, so an equation, bunch of numbers, and b. All right, so to solve this, let's go ahead and multiply 84 times 3. So we got 76 equals 84 times 3. A little bit as far as big numbers here. We're going to get, 252 plus b. And to isolate b, we're going to subtract 252 from both sides. That's going to give us negative 176 is our value for b. All right, so to finish this up, given our final solution, we're going to use y equals the slope, 84, multiplied by x, and then our value for b comes along here, it gets subtracted at the end, plus negative 176 or minus 176. Either way, but that's going to be our final solution, the equation of our tangent line to this curve, this function at that given point. Hopefully not too bad. A little bit big numbers in this example, but I think we can get through it. So good luck as you're working on these.